GERN, stock analysis and price predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play in this very short 1 minute video. So with Geron Corporation, yes, Friday was like 1.5 increase in price percent. For the whole week, we were more so 4% down. To give you even more context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. And with this thing, I mean, since we came here, now we have this demand area. The price is relatively inside the demand zone, but unless I see like a killing shift and a double break, I'm actually like, this is just going to be like these last moments, because I mean, if we keep breaking lower, then there is just going to be, we're going to be beneath the demand, which does not make sense. But for me specifically, if I see double breaks above certain levels like that, then and only then I'll take it up. And that's about it. Like, it's very similar to CLSK stock and all these other ticker symbols on the first page. But yeah, that's how GERN looks like for me. If you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.